family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Fashion Nova try-on haul video, you guys. Like I promised you, I told you I have been shopping and I've been doing some damage, but I got some wonderful items in this video that I know you ladies will probably enjoy as much as I am. Okay, now of course you know this is Shop Fashion Nova, so and it's a little lengthy, but these are going to be a mixture of some casual chic clothing, regular weekend wear, out and about wear, comfortable wear. Okay, so let's get started in this video right now. Now the first item I want to show you, it's called, and this is called the chain belt dress, and it's in a black combo. All right, now this is the item right here. It is so gorgeous, you guys. It's a very nice, very lightweight material, but the body of it is thick. It's like they have a lining or something. Yeah, they have like an inner lining stitched down into it. You can't see through it, and it's belted. It comes with its own little nice little belt. Okay, and it's very short. It's a mini, and it's like one of those geometric-ish type of cuts because it's slanted. But this is so pretty with a nice pair of either burgundy, gold, black, tan, whatever kind of stiletto heel, and it's a long sleeve. Really cute, and it says $34.99, but this was definitely marked down. All right, beautiful belt chain dress. Alright ladies, so the next item is this really sexy. This is called Cut You Off Midi dress, and it's in the color Nude. Sexy. Now this is more for fall. No, I would say spring, because it has lots of cutouts. So you can be covered up, but at the same time have some spring-like look to it. But it's this wonderful one-piece dress, you guys. And it is super sexy. Now, it's a cropish, cutout-ish type of top. Oh man, it's hard to explain this. Okay, this is the front, and it gives you like a cropish looking front, okay, with the dress as well. But you don't see that it's a crop until you turn around. But it is so pretty. It's more like a knit, like a sweaterish type of material. It is so sexy, and I got it in a large, which I have been shrinking still, so this is gonna fit, hopefully not loose, just perfect. All right ladies, and now I have this really cute funky little skirt. Now this is so adorable, ladies. This is a faux leather camouflage mini dress, mini skirt, and it is really pretty. Okay, now being that it's faux leather, and usually I have problems when it comes to leather and faux leather. I usually have to size up. So I wear a large and I'm shrinking down to a medium. But I bought this in an extra large because normally I have problems around my booty and thigh area when it comes to leather. So I put this on and it fits perfect. So I guess it all depends on your curves, ladies. But this is so cute. This is called the Let Me Be Yours Cami. Okay, camo. Paid $32.99, which I don't think so. I definitely got this on the sales rack. But this is so cute, and it's easy to wear and comfortable. Now, sticking in the camouflage family, I finally copped this item. I've been watching it for a while. Finally got it. Now this is called the Cadet Kylie Camp Pants, and it's in an extra large, and it's the camouflage oversized pants. And these are like joggers because they got the little gathered bottom, but this is cutesy, y'all, and it has lots of stretch. All right, I bought it in an extra large because I wasn't too sure about the thigh area and the booty area, but this really looks like it's going to fit perfect, and it's an oversized look. Okay, really pretty. That old school army green. This is that army camouflage. Now, it has a lot of nice cargo pockets on the side. Has that cargo look to it. Okay, just the same as if you were in the military. and it has lots of pockets. And this was sold out so many times in all the sizes. Now this is $39.99. I know I didn't pay that much because they finally marked them down and I was able to pick them up finally. Okay, since I'm in a khaki green kind of mood, let's move on to the next item. Now this is a pair of linen type of shorts. Okay, it has the little cuffs on the ends. Alright, it has the little bow tie, or should I say ribbon tie in the front. These are cut the same as those faux black leather shorts that I purchased recently on Fashion Nova. And I think I got those shorts in the extra large. No, I bought those in a large and they actually fit. But these are extra large. We'll see how this is. There is no stretch to this, so I sized up because you know my problem areas, my booty and my thighs. It is in an olive green and the size is an extra large. And I don't recall how much I paid for it, but as you can see, this is not a Fashion Nova brand. So, we'll see. So let's get on with some tops, okay? We got all these bottoms. Let's get on to some tops. Now, they have these cute little bodysuits. I have been in love with bodysuits, you ladies. Now, this is called Action Talk Seamless Bodysuit. And it's in a rust color. And I got them in a medium large. Alright, and it says $14.99, but I did not pay that. And I wish I got them in an extra large because this looks like it might be a little too fitting. Oh, it is stretchy though. Very stretchy, ladies. So this is going to give you that nice tapered, sucked up look. And it has like a thongish type of snap closure. So it's gonna, you won't get any type of panty lines, which is perfect. Okay, so this is cute. I got this in the rust and I also purchased another one in the white. Okay, give you that wife beater look. Really cute. And I'm not sure exactly how much I paid for these, but you can get these on sale. These are great for shorts, great for your skirts, you know, so this way you don't have that bulky look. You get that seamless look. Cutesy. Alright, ladies, so next I got this wonderful little cutesy item right here. I plan on wearing it with the white bodysuit I just showed you. This is called the Playa Hatin pants and it's in navy. I sized up to an extra large because of course you know my areas. It says $27.99 on the tag, but I did not spend $27.99. And of course you've seen these all over the place, ladies. These are cutesy little snap off pants, okay? And I love them. This is cute for those nice days lounging around with my honey, going shopping, going out and about, maybe going to the park. And I was thinking when I saw these pants and I figured to pair them with that white bodysuit, this number popped in my mind, okay, to wear with them. All right, so you know, these illuminating shoes, cutesy. But this can go with any type of idea. You can wear them with shoes, you can wear them with sneakers, you know, you can wear them. But I plan on wearing these. So, next item I purchased is this Bolivar lace top in the color blush, which this doesn't look like a blush. This looks more like an ivory or nude. But I got it in the size large and it's paid $27.99, which I think I got it on sale. But look at this, ladies. I saw it on the model and I fell in love with it. Now this is very sheer, okay? Very, very sheer. I plan on maybe using, wearing like a cami underneath it. All right. It also has a long zipper in the, well, a zipper closure in the back, and it has these little, look like little ribbons. That's, you know, that you see throughout the whole thing. Maybe like a big bird look. But it's so pretty, ladies. Look at that. Gorgeous. It really looks nice on the model. I cannot wait to see how this is gonna look. And I plan on pairing this with, you can pair this with shorts, denims, any type of colored shorts, any type of pencil skirt. So many ways to dress this, okay? So many ways. I can't wait. Next, ladies. Oh, cutesy cutesy. This one is called the Love and Chains mesh top. All right, and it's really pretty. It's similar to this, the same shirt I just showed you in the blush, but this is in a multicolored black, and it has chains all over it. All right, and it's very, very sheer. So if you have one of those cutesy little lingerie-ish type of cami bodysuits underneath, that would look so cute. I have me a nice black one I plan on wearing underneath here, and it will still give the outfit a nice pop. Now these are like a little bellish type of sleeves at the end, have that little stretchy material towards the wrist, and then the rest just flows and hangs off. But this is really simple, cutesy. Oh my gosh, and it has a little button closure with a little peekaboo opening in the back, and it's a crop top. Okay, so it's gonna fit you a little short. Yeah, a little short with the gathering, and it has a little stretchy gathering at the bottom of it. Okay, very cute. Long sleeve sheer. You can rock it in the summertime on those cool evenings, or even spring. Really nice outfit, y'all. All right, ladies, so lastly I got some comfy wear. Now you've seen me showcase this item in a prior video, but I saw that they had some other ones, and they had different styles in this particular comfy wear. But these can be worn inside, they can be worn outside, of course, and they are very sexy, they're very stylish and trending right now. And the last set I bought was the off-the-shoulder jogger two-piece heather gray set. Well, this time I revisited their site again and saw they had some different types of brands, different types of styles in other colors. So of course you know what I did. My honey saw it, and he's the one that actually bought these for me. Okay, so these are called the Wanderlust hoodie and leggings set. Now it's not a set where it's one piece, or like it's a set that comes together. You have to actually buy these pieces individually, so you can mix and match them up if you choose to. Now this black one I wore already. Okay, I couldn't wait. But it's this cute little legging set, okay, with the front tie thing. It's nice. It looks like long johns. That's what it kind of reminds me of, long johns. And it also comes with the hoodie, and it's a hoodie crop top. This is in the black color, which this has definitely got to go in the wash now, so I wore it already. But it's really cute. It's really simple. It's true to size. I bought this in a large, and I also picked them all up actually. I also picked it up in the blush color. This is so cutesy, y'all. Okay, very cute, very lightweight. This is like a rose. It says mauve, but it looks like a rosish gold. It has some little shiny looking stitching. It's really pretty, really pretty. It's like a sweater type of look, but it's not, and it's perfect for the season that we're in now. Happy spring, everyone. All right, and here is the hoodie to this. Really cute, really comfortable, and each piece is $19.99. That was not worth it. Okay, definitely $40 Fashion Nova. Y'all could do better than that. Come on now, because if you're buying each piece, that's $20 each piece. Ridiculous. Okay, but here it is in their gray color. Okay, really cute. And this gray is different. This has like a mixture of black stitching, white stitching, gray. Really pretty. Alright, really pretty. And again, I got it in the size large. And here are the leggings to this outfit. Oh, my honey loves to see me in these. He likes leggings. Okay, he likes the dang. So I had to buy some stuff for him. Well, he picked these out. He's the one that actually told me to get these. Alright, so that's it for this haul right here. And like I told you already, I got more coming your way. Okay, stay tuned for the video. I got some sexy, cutesy little swimsuits. Oh wow, you know it's beach season already. It's exciting just thinking about it. Beach season already. Well, I got some cutesy little bathing suits that I want to show you, as well as some cover-ups. So stay tuned for that video, as well as some wonderful jeans and crop tops that's coming soon as well. Alright? And until the next video, I will see you then. Hey fam! What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.